Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix Threads app is not logging in. If you're using Threads app and you're facing the issue that your Threads app is not logging in, or you're facing any kind of logging error in your Threads app, so let's see some possible fixes for this. So the very first thing, you just have to make sure that you have a stable and the strongest network connection. It might be your Wi-Fi, cellular data. You can also try to switch between your Wi-Fi, cellular data. You can try to enable or disable your airplane mode up to 4 or 5 times to make a quick refresh with all of your network settings. Then go back from here and open your settings app. Go to general, go to VPN and device management, and you just have to make sure that you haven't any kind of VPN connected. If you're connected to any VPN, just try to disconnect with that. After disconnecting your VPN, you have to go back and go to software update. You just have to make sure that your software is up to date. There's not any pending software update for your iPhone. If you find this try to update your software. After updating software, go back, open your app store, and you just have to go for search and search for Threads app. And you have to make sure that your Threads app is up to date. There's no any pending update for your Threads app. If you find this try to update your app, after updating your app, your issue must have to be fixed. If it's still not fixing your issues, you can try to make a force restart with your iPhone. Now to do that, you have to quickly press this volume up, then volume down, then press and hold the power button and wait for your screen until the screen goes fully black. And here, once you get the black screen, you just have to wait for Apple logo. And once you get the Apple logo, just release the button and wait for your phone until it restarts. After restarting, you just have to unlock your phone. And here you have to retry to check if your issue has been fixed or not. So open your Threads app. And here just try to log in with your Instagram account. Just select your account from here, and you have to check if your issue has been fixed or not. So just wait for the loading here. If you find the loadings, you can try to connect with the strongest and stable network connection to fix this properly. Or if you're still facing any kind of login errors, you just have to go back, and here you just have to keep a long press on your Threads app, then tap on remove app and tap on delete app, and after that your app will be completely deleted or uninstalled. So once you have uninstalled, just go to App Store, go for search and search for Threads app, and you just have to try to reinstall your app because sometimes it might be any bug or any malware with your Threads app. It will be fixing this trap and you'll not get the issue again. So after reinstallation, it will be fixed. So you will not get the login error again. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.